In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. Then click on it. As you can see, mine is white, which means that location is off. To switch it on, tap on the same one. You can also go into settings and scroll down to access location over here. Then use this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!